Hello everybody, this is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and this is our 2025-2026 update. So I wanted to take a few minutes and go over what my plans are for 26, the different videos that I am planning, and to show you some of the things I've been working on and show you some of the things I plan on working on. As you may know, I have a lot of stock, let's say. I have a lot of kits. I have a lot of projects that I want to make. And as you know, also, I have a lot of WIPs. So you've been seeing, I hope, some of the WIP videos. And that was my way of going in there and seeing what I actually have happening so far. I've made lists of all of my WIPs, at least all the ones I could find, and I'm sure more will pop up. And I have made lists of projects I want to work on coming up this next year. And I have made lists of the kits. I think I've got all of my kits in lists. I'm a big list maker, as you know. Okay, so how do I plan on dealing with all of this? And I've mentioned before that I want to do these spin the wheel things. Let me show you a couple of the wheels that I've created. I went to a website and it's literally called Spin the Wheel. And I've set up a wheel for all these different things, for my knit kits, for my crochet kits, for my stitching kits, for the WIPs, new projects I want to make, for what else is in here? My friends' picks. And I really hope that you guys will want to get on our friends pick list. And it's literally a wheel with everybody's name on it that wants to play. And then how I plan on dealing with this is once a week, I will do either knit, crochet, stitching, and then friends pick. So when it is the week that I'm working on crochet, let's say knit, because it happens to be right here on the top. So we'll pull that wheel up. It'll look like that. We'll push the spin button. It spins around, and then it will choose the project. Boom. It'll choose the project that I will work on for that week. And each of those weeks, I will work on that project that the wheel chooses for at least 1 hour a day for the week. Then at the end of the week, we'll spin the next wheel. We'll show you the project I've made on this one and talk about other things that I have been working on as well. I'm really excited about this. I think this will be a fun way to get through some of these WIPs. And as I finish 1 or 2 WIPs from each section, then I can allow myself to start a new project. Will I start new projects otherwise? Absolutely. You guys know me. There's no way I'm not making new things. I also have a few small things that I know that I'm going to want to make projects throughout the year that are just going to get thrown in. There's several washcloths I want to make. There's some hats that I want to make. And things are just going to pop up as you guys give me ideas, as I see ideas from friends. There's going to be crochet alongs and knit alongs. There's going to be more. You guys know this. So when will this start? I had planned on starting this next week, actually probably this week, but life. So ends up, we're going to be going on a little trip in the middle of the month. And so I didn't want to start this and then stop it and then start it again. So when I go on the trip, you know I'm taking projects with me. So let me show you the projects I'm taking with me. I'm going to take a knit project. I think I'm going to take a crochet project, and I'm going to take a stitching project. So that gives me one of my 3 weeks that I will have pulled from anyway. And then when I get back, I'll show you my progress, and then we will do a viewer's pick, a friend's pick on that week. So let me show you the things that I plan on taking with me. The first one is going to be the stitching kit from the Bothy Threads. And so I will have that cross stitch kit. I'm going to take that with me. So there's my stitching. And I'm going to take a knit project. the vest that I just started working on for Mr. It is, I just have the ribbing started on it. I've got about a ½ inch to go, and I've made a great big mistake. So I'm going to have to go talk to my knitting angels and figure out what have I done here. What kind of mess have I made there? And see if they can help me figure that out. They're really good at helping me figure out things that I've made a mistake on. Very, very good at that. I'm going to take this crochet project. So all of these projects are things that are coming from the WIP basket. So I'm working on my WIPs, except this is new. And this is the Selena Baca shawl that officially is finished, but I need it to be longer. So we're going to take that and see if I can't get that to a length that I'm happy with. Put this away so I don't lose it. So there's my crochet, there's my stitch, and I'm going to take crochet, knit, stitch. Oh, I'm also going to take one of the socks. I have 2 pairs of socks on the needles, and I'm going to take one of them. Probably this pair, but I'm not sure. So this is the pair that I am doing. I've started, and it's working 2 at a time socks at the same time on one needle. So I will either take this pair, I'm leaning towards this one, or I will take the other pair that I also just started, which this one, you do 2 at a time, but you have 2 different sets of needles that you're working with at the same time. And the only reason I hesitate about this is because I still don't have the skill down on how to do this. So I would have to really work with this a little bit before we leave in order for me to take this and actually do anything. So we'll see. Maybe I'll watch a few videos, and if I'm feeling comfortable, then this one may go with me. But at least 1 pair of socks will go with me. So let's put this back. There we go. And that's what's going to travel with me. So that's going to be the WIPs that I'm going to work on throughout the next few weeks. And then when I get back at the end of the month, I will show you the progress that I have made. And then we can pick the next thing. So I think this is going to be a fun way, a little bit of fun that we'll have to get through some of these WIPs and to get through the new projects. I have a ton of kits, and so I've got lists specifically for kits. And so we're going to start working on these kits and getting through them. I wanted to show you something else that I'm currently working on. I'm not just sitting on my laurels. I'm really doing stuff. This is a sweater that I'm knitting. And I have just finished, so it's in the round, and I have just finished the front of it. So I've got it on a wire so I don't lose my stitches. So there's the design. Can you see the design on that? A little bit. Yeah. So there's the front. I'm really pleased with this. So this is yarn that was sent to me by Miss Cheryl, my dear friend Miss Cheryl, another one of my knitting angels. And she sent this to me from Australia. And it is lovely to work with. Absolutely lovely to work with. But I'm really, really pleased with this. And then I'm just going to be switching over to working on the back. And the whole back is just plain. So then you just have to, I got to get this back on the needles, this side back on the needles, and then finish up to the shoulder area. And then the 2 sleeves, which I'm told the sleeves take as long as the front and the back did. We'll see. But got this going on. Okay, and then, so I've been working on that quite a bit. Let's get it back in the bag so I don't lose anything. Okay, then I have finally finished this cross stitch project. I've got it washed. I don't have it ironed yet. But if you recall, I told you I had done this, and it's a table runner, so it's got the two sides. I had done this table runner, and let's see if I can get this the right way up. There we go. In that pattern. I like that a lot. And then I thought there were napkins in the kit, which I wasn't going to do. And when I pulled the fabric out, it was a tablecloth. So I decided to, and it's just a small tablecloth. It's just like that wide. So you've got the same design in the four corners. The four corners on this. And I wanted to show you the difference. Uh-oh, there's a mark on there. When it came out of the washing machine, it had a mark on it. I'm gonna have to wash it again and put some stuff in there. So I wanted to show you the difference in the stitching. So I used 3 threads for my stitching on this one, and I used 4 threads for my stitching on this one. See how much more the design stands out with the 4 threads than the 3 threads? Yeah, and I thought it looked much better like that. So that's why I chose to do that. And that's one of the things with cross stitch that you can do. That's one way that you can adjust how things look, is by changing how many threads you're using. So finished object still needs to be ironed, and I got to check on that spot on there. That doesn't make me happy. Yeah, let me see, there's a little dark spot right there. So anyway, finished object because it's does not have to be blocked, just ironed for a bit, and these are done. I like that. Like it. All ready for next Christmas. Okay, the other thing that we've got going on, so once a week we're going to be doing a video, basically an update video, working on WIP video, see how far we're getting, and then pulling new projects and getting things done. That's going to be, at this point, I'm thinking every Sunday. Every Thursday for this year, we are doing the Learn to Knit in 50 Squares. Okay, so each week we're going to have a different square that we're working on. And my understanding from this book is every single square, you're learning a new concept, a new technique, something like that. So I hope you'll follow along while I muddle through with this and see how this goes. See how I do with this. I'm hoping that this will be more like what I was trying to do a couple years ago when we did that the square knit along thing. And I learned from it, but not what I was anticipating. I think this is more like what I was hoping for. Lots and lots of different techniques in here, and the book is well written, and I think there's also some videos that go along with it. So we'll check those out. The colors I'm going to use are going to be this pretty purple and this gray. And if I run out of these, I'll grab some other colors because, they're different blocks, so they can be mixed together. But that is my goal. That is my plan for this coming year. So we'll be doing a lot of wheel spinning and picking things at random to work on. And then working on this 50 squares. Plus whatever else gets thrown in there, because you guys know how it works. You guys know. So that's it. That is my update on projects and on what I'm actually working on right now. I will see you guys soon. Please be looking for the videos Sundays and Thursdays. The Sunday one might get changed, but for now, I think we're going to keep it Sundays. Thank you guys ever so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and please send this off to somebody who you think might enjoy it. Bye-bye.